for the birds. Take it easy, Mac. I just used this trick to get in first.
Why, you...
Watch the old blood pressure, Chief. You wanted a super salesman? Here I am.
I'll give you a job that's right up your alley.
Do you need an accident policy, sir?
No, Woodpecker! You need the accident policy! Ha, ha, ha!
This policy insures you against...
I said I don't want no policy. Now beat it!
This policy insures you against being hit by a falling safe.
Who's gonna get hit by a falling safe?
It pays double if hit by 2 safes. You will also be covered if hit by a streetcar. It insures against falling into a printing press. You will be protected against pile drivers. Being hit by lightning. If kicked by a mule. Dog bite. It insures against being eaten by crocodiles.
That's enough! I'll sign! I'll take the policy!
Here's the policy, sir. Just sign on the bottom.
Oh, yeah? Now I'm insured against everything.
Oh, yeah? Read the fine print.
So who's gonna get hit by a guided missile? Ha, ha, ha!
Sign here, Mr. Dooley.
Hey, nurse, bring me my breakfast.
Last chance to sign, Dooley.
Cover!